Hi everyone! It has been a while since I've shared an updated makeup routine with you guys. I think partially because I've been wearing less and less and less makeup. A lot of days I skip makeup entirely. But when I do decide to wear makeup, I think I have a pretty good routine going right now. I really like these products, so I thought I would share them with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of moisture and radiance to my skin. I'm starting with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I'm going to shake this up and just mist this a little bit on my skin. And then next I'm using Tatcha's The Water Cream. This is a really nice moisturizer underneath makeup because it absorbs so well. It doesn't leave any greasy residue. So applying some of that. The stuff smells really good too. Feels nice on my skin. My next step is sunscreen, and a sponsor that I'm working with today is Color Science. I've been trying out their All Calm Clinical Redness Corrector for the last month. This has SPF 50 in it, and it's zinc, which is my favorite kind of sunscreen to wear, and this was designed for people with sensitive skin or redness or rosacea. So I'll squeeze a pump out onto my fingertips. This has a subtle green undertone to it to neutralize redness, and the consistency and finish to it makes it work really well as a primer underneath your makeup. So blending this in, this is supposed to help treat ongoing redness and sensitivity with a special biosolace complex. And obviously the #1 cause of redness and rosacea in the skin is the sun. So the SPF fights that as well. It's supposed to be a 3-in-1 product. I'll have a link down below where you can shop this product or search for a retailer in your area that carries it. And I have a coupon code for you guys to get a free mini brush-on sunscreen with SPF 50 with your purchase of this product. So that will be down below as well. Moving on to makeup, I haven't worn foundation for a while. It's probably been a year since I've regularly included foundation in my routine. I'll still wear it for like events, but on the day-to-day, I just don't even touch it anymore. So I'm skipping straight to concealer, and the concealer I've been using recently is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and depending on how much self-tanner I've been using, I'm either the shade Fair or Light. So I'm just dotting this underneath my eye area, a little around my nose, and then anywhere that there's a little extra redness. A little bit right here from tweezing my brows last night. And I'm also putting some on my eyelids and evening this up a little bit down here. Then I just take a brush and kind of pat and blend this in. Next is brows, and the brow product I've been using for what feels like forever now is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I just think this is so easy. It's a tinted gel, you swipe it through your eyebrows. So I just comb this through. I focus a little bit more here where it's sparse, so that a little bit of the product gets on the skin too, to fill that in a little bit. And then I comb it the rest of the way through. I would like to know if any of you have tried the Glossier Boy Brow product, because it seems exactly like this. And I know it's really, really popular, so I've been kind of wondering like if I would like it more, if it's worth trying something different, or if it's just basically the same thing. This is the nice brow. My left brow is the good one, and my right brow is the devil. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and I just want to note that these are even. My light source is coming from this side today, so this side's very shaded, but when I turn square and I check them square on, these are even, but this looks way darker, but it's not. Okay, let's move on to contouring, one of my favorite parts of the routine, because who doesn't like a more angular face? The contour powder I've been using for a while now is a blush from Burberry called Earthy. This is the perfect contouring shade for my complexion because it's definitely cooler toned, and a lot of contour colors are warmer, so they don't clash with my fair and cool complexion. Picking up some product, and then I'm concentrating this right in the hollows of my cheekbones. I try not to bring it too far down, just keep it up closer to my ear, like that. And then I also bring this up around my hairline and down on my jawline. And then if I'm feeling fancy, I will take my Burberry contour stick and contour my nose. And this is so easy to just draw 2 lines. It's kind of like this. And then I just blend this with my finger. I usually concentrate this on the bottom half of my nose, and then just blend up a little bit with my finger. Next is blush, and the blush I've been using recently is from Hourglass. It is called Pure Effect. It's this one right here, part of a palette. I don't know if this is sold individually, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below. Just take a little bit of that. I've always liked a good blush. You guys know if you've followed me for a long time. I'm always a little heavy-handed with it. I just like a good color on my cheeks. Then moving on to eyes, I don't really wear a lot of eye makeup these days. Actually, a lot of days I won't wear any. I'll just stop my routine right here and leave my eyes alone. But when I do decide to do some eyeshadow, the palette that I've been using is this NARS Wanted eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. Has lots of neutrals, and I use this light matte brown color, and I just work this through my crease. Just add a little bit of definition to the eyes, kind of carve out that crease. And I also take and run the excess underneath my eye. Then for just a touch of eyeliner, I take an angled brush and this darkest shade in the palette called Coconut Grove. And I just very lightly tap this on my lash line. I love powder because it looks so natural and it's so foolproof. Unlike gel or liquid where it's like really obvious if you make a mistake. Powder just kind of all blends and smokes out. So you don't have to really worry about it too much. And I'm going to curl my lashes. And then for mascara, I'm starting with the L'Oreal Voluminous base. Quickly just brushing that on. And then the mascara I've been loving recently is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. This adds so much volume and length. Just wiggling this from the base of my lashes up. So do the other side. Then last is lips, and most days I don't do anything. I just wear a balm. It's easy. I'm not fussy about lip products these days, but if I want to be a little bit glam, and this is my idea of glam these days, I wear this neutral shade lip gloss. This is by Juice Beauty, and it's the color Bikini. I just really love the formula of this. It's very sheer and lightweight, and it feels hydrating. And I think the color is really nice as well. It's one of those My Lips But Better types of shades. It's just very natural. And that is it for my current makeup routine. I will have all the products that I used listed down below, and be sure to check out the link and coupon code for the Color Science All Calm Clinical Redness Corrector. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.